Today I'm working on two Benz keys. The thing is, this is the AIS, and when you insert, let me power the unit on. Okay, when you insert the key, you should be able to rotate in order to put the ignition, but it won't happen even with the second key. Here I have connected the electronic ignition switch and the gateway, and if I try to read the keys, let me show you. So the key is in the slot, and I'm gonna press read, and the key cannot be read. And the second key, the same problem. So there must be a problem with both keys. The ignition switch is good, I already tested. Let's get rid of those, we don't need them anymore. Right now we have two solutions. We can program new keys, two new keys, or we can try to repair them. Let's try to open this is the one PCB. And the second one. Let's take a look. Okay, so here is the first key. It's looking good, no water damage, no missing components, maybe. No, everything is looking good. And let's measure the coil. One probe here, and I don't know if you can see, and one here. So we have 39.8, 40 ohms. And now we have 173 kilo ohms. So what's the problem? 152. I'm moving a little bit the coil, and now we have 5 mega ohms. Ten mega ohms. Okay, so there must be a problem with this coil. Let's try the other one. We have 10 ohms, 9.3, 9.8. Now we have 50. I don't know, is there a crack in the solder? No, the solder is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and replace both of them, both coils, and then we will test again. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna replace with those coils, and I'm not gonna use hot air because I don't want to disturb this plastic component. It's very sensitive. And I'm gonna use low melt solder. But of course we need flux. And that was easy. Now we want to wipe this solder. And now solder back the new coil. Just like that. And now the other side. Now let's see. I'm gonna try to press it more here. And we should be good. Let's clean it. Now I'm gonna put this board into one key. Now I'm gonna test it here. Okay, the key is inserted. Let's try to read it. Let me switch the source on, yes, and read. Oh, this is unplugged, of course. Okay. Now read. And nothing. Okay. Okay, I found a problem. The board was not inserted very well in the case. And let's try again. Read. Perfect. The key number 1. Read, read, read. Before we cannot read it. And now let's try on the ignition switch. And now it should turn. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna do the second key, just like that. Okay, after repairing both keys, now, oh, I don't have the power cable connected. Let me connect it. Okay. Now we can turn the key and a second here as well. So the car should start now. The keys are doing, the remote control works. And that's it. Okay, so I repaired the keys and now they work on the ignition switch. And it's done. Let's cut the power. I'm gonna invoice and send it back to the customer. And let's work on something else.